The United Kingdom continues without a Prime Minister in the midst of a deadly pandemic. The number of deaths in Britain is rising daily, and authorities are bracing for a challenging weekend in which fatalities are expected to peak further. The Prime Minister is spending his fourth night in hospital, his third in intensive care. Downing Street says Boris Johnson remains clinically stable and is responding to treatment, but clearly is no fit state to work or lead.
He is receiving excellent care from the NHS team at St Thomas's. The latest from the hospital is that the Prime Minister remains in intensive care, where his condition is improving. I can also tell you that he has been sitting up in bed and engaging positively with the clinical team.
The Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab is at the helm for now, but he does rely on cabinet cooperation to make major decisions, and that cooperation is not guaranteed. Spain's daily death toll hit a peak of 950 last Thursday, but after 4 straight days of decline, it has now increased for a second day. Families forced to wait up to a week to bury their relatives.
Usually on a bad day we used to hold funerals for 8 to 15 people. But now we have reached 40 or so per day.
France has reported its highest daily toll since the outbreak began. Authorities have now banned Easter travel and all outdoor exercises in Paris during the hours of 10 a.m. and 7 p.m.
I prefer to run in the morning, especially with spring and the warm weather starting. It's something I'm used to, but I don't really see what difference it will make. There will just be more people in the morning or in the evening.
These senior nurses from Bergamo are on the front line in Italy's fight against coronavirus. From the days of quickly converting surgical rooms into intensive care units, they are now more optimistic.
War is the right word, because now we are relatively calmer in the past couple of days. But at the beginning, when we had an influx of 80 to 150 people every day, we were saying we'll never make it. It's not possible. Then every day was a different reality. Every day changed. But war is the right word.
Despite daily reports of increased fatalities in Britain, France and Spain, some European countries, including Denmark, Austria and Norway, have announced plans to loosen some of their lockdown measures. The World Health Organization responded swiftly, saying, "Now is not the time to relax. It is time to once again double and triple our collective efforts." Mehmet Solmaz, TRT World.